Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you the recipe of very sacred dish, that is Kadha Prasad. It is one of the delicacies that is served in Gurdwaras as a prasad. The Kadha Prasad that you get in Gurdwara is prepared with lot of devotion and continuous chanting of hymns. So that's why the taste of halwa is really divine. The halwa is made with just 4 ingredients, that is 1 katori atta, 1 katori shakkar or sugar you can take, and 1 katori ghee. So the amount of these 3 ingredients will be same and double the amount of water, that is 1 full cup water. First of all, I'll prepare the sugar syrup. For this I have taken a pan and I'll add water. This is double the quantity of rest of the ingredients. So make sure that the water is double. Now I'll add jaggery powder, mix it well, and you need to wait for a boil to come. As the boil has come, so I'll turn off the gas now. So now take a heavy bottom base pan, or you can take a kadai which is deep inside. Now add ghee to it and allow it to melt with the help of a spatula. So as it has been melted, I'll add my whole wheat flour. You need to cook this mixture in a low to medium flame. So stir it really well so that no lumps are formed. So stir continuously, else your atta may burn as it may stick at the bottom. Keep stirring again and again. So you need to do this process for at least 5 minutes if you are cooking on a medium flame. So after 5 minutes you will see the change in color. So it will be like golden brown in color and a fine aroma will be released. So after it has turned golden to reddish brown in color and a sweet nutty fragrance is there, so you just turn off the gas, or you can keep the gas on low flame. So now I'll add my sugar water here. You need to be very careful here as the sugar water may spurt around. So keep your flame on medium only and stir continuously so that no lumps are formed. You need to be very quick here in stirring process. Stir continuously. It will turn out into a very soft, smooth, velvety and rich halwa. So do not stop stirring till the prasad thickens into a firm pudding and the mixture leaves the side of the pan. As you can see here now that the halwa has also started releasing the ghee. So my Kadha Prasad is ready. So I'll transfer into a bowl, and do not worry about that extra ghee. It is meant to be there. So serve this Kadha Prasad hot with the puris, or you can give to your family as a sweet dish. You may even garnish with the chopped almonds or raisins. See how soft it has turned out. Very rich and filling. Oh my god, the taste is just divine. I truly cannot resist eating it. So try this at home and let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you. And before that, do hit the like button if you like my video. Click on subscribe and the bell icon for the regular notifications. And yes, a big shout out to my followers Ishupuri, Monica and Jagdish Chauhan sir for sharing my videos.